Are you looking to invite someone to join your Asana team but aren't sure how to do it? Don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to invite a team member to your Asana workspace and how you can get started right away. But before we dive in, did you know you can use Asana completely free from the link below with some exclusive bonuses? Stick around to learn how to get access to that as well. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is log into your Asana account. If you don't have one yet, setting it up is easy and you can try it out for free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top bar where you'll see the Team section. Next thing you'll want to do is click on the team name. This is where your workspace and projects are organized. If you already have a team, it's time to add someone to it. If not, you can easily create a new team by clicking on Create Team from the sidebar. It's super easy, just follow the prompts. Now, let's move to the most important part, inviting someone. On the team page, look for the Invite button. This is typically located near the top right corner. Click it, and a new window will pop up, allowing you to add the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Type in their email addresses and click Send Invitations. The fourth thing you'll want to know is that Asana will send an invite to your new team member. When they click on the link in the email, they'll be directed to join your team's workspace. If they don't have an Asana account yet, they'll be prompted to create one, which is quick and simple. The next thing to remember is that Asana also allows you to manage user permissions. Once your new team member accepts the invitation, you can assign them specific roles, like a team member or admin, depending on the level of access you want to grant them. Lastly, if at any point you need to remove someone or change their role, you can do this from the same Team section. Just click on their name, and you'll see options to manage their access. It's all straightforward and easy to do. And that's it. You've successfully invited someone to join your Asana team. With Asana, you're not only streamlining communication and collaboration, but you're also setting yourself up for success with a powerful team management tool. Remember, you can start using Asana for free by clicking the first link below. Plus, if you sign up through this link, you'll get exclusive bonuses and an extended free trial. Don't miss out. So, now you know exactly how to invite someone to join your Asana team. Whether you're just getting started or looking to add a new member, Asana makes it easy to manage your team and projects efficiently. Thanks for watching.